Gang, give me my Versace nga sunglasses, be. Yeah, I need the Versace. Thank you very much, dear.
I know.
Yeah, oh, you get it.
I do this to my
So-
mom does this to me. So
This is my vlog. Now I'm ready to. Now I'm ready to do my. I'm ready to. Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready to cook. So first and for all, get the pampano. Get, darling. I need the pampano fish. Yeah. Yeah. Oh my God. Yeah. So for tonight, hello everyone, my darling. So I'm making a pampano inununan, a special delicacy from the Philippines. So yeah, so I'm gonna make inununan with my very famous pampano. No, yeah, that's how you pronounce it. Okay, so I'm ready. Okay, first you have to gather all the ingredients. You have to gather all the ingredients. So the first ingredient is onion. There's the onion. And the second is the sprouted garlic. And then ginger. You pronounce it again, guys? Yes, ginger. Everyone, 1, 2, 3. Ginger. Good shootings. So you're gonna use a cucharita to scrape the ginger. So we're gonna start this vlog para malay mo. Ito lang makapapayaman sa akin. So, oh my God. I love the smell. Okay, next, you're gonna tad it. You're gonna slice it. Julian Camp para fresh from the farm. So you're gonna cut it like that, Julian cut. Period. So it should look like this. Like this. Julian cut. That's how you slice the ginger. Okay, more to go.
fast forward.
Fast forward. Very good. I like the technique.
Kamay na pala yun.
Kamay, nagdugo-dugo na dahil yun. So, oh my God. Oh, Versace. Yaya! Yaya, fix my sunglasses, please. Fix it. Good job.
May mga assistant.
Mga assistants. So, you're gonna peel the panet of the onion. Onion rings. So, yan. That's how you do it. Very versatile. Very authentic. Very smooth. Ang laps kay wala ga pula-pula. Ay! No children's allowed here. Move away. Yeah, you're gonna be the next menu. Okay, I'm ready to cut my onion. Yeah, my sunglasses. I'm moving. Fix it. Move it upward. Okay, very good. Because my bridge has no bridge. My nose, I mean. Okay, you're gonna cut it into half. Yeah. Yeah. You're gonna slice it. Hi. Ikaw ginasunod kami, no? Karan. You're gonna slice it into... It's not julienne cut. It's... Just a thin cut. That's how you cut an onion.
Camera girl.
Camera girl. Okay. I need more lights. I need more lights, guys. Okay. Dapat ang French lady, ako lang ang the only French lady nga maghimog inununan karon. Of course. Yeah, so we're gonna use the sprouted garlic. It's ready to be planted. Yeah. By the way, guys, I'm wearing Fossil watch. French lady. You're not, dogs are not allowed here. Hoy, bawal ang bata. Shush. Yaya.
Yes.
Hindi mo yaya. Okay, I'm ready now.
Social makanay mong yaya po
Oo. Ako yaya, come here. Look in the video. Yeah. Show yourself in the video. Yeah, like that. Wear your Balenciaga, yaya. You're not allowed to, yeah. You have to be in your Balenciaga when you're with me. I'm ready.
Wow.
Where's the kalan? Where's the kalan? Twerking French lady. Asa mo na ito? Inunod na lang ngit-ngit makaine. Asa mo na ito?
Hi, Madam Gigi. Happy New Year.
So I'm gonna use this Korean walk from Seoul, Korea. Here. So you just have to do it like that. And then I need my fish, my pampano. Oh my God. I'm so poor. Okay, ang camera. Dapat dito. Yaya, ang camera. Low budget ni siya. Kay ako lang ang French lady nga kabalo makuan. Magsitaw gani. Kana manghimbis ang isda ba? Ako lang ang French lady. More lights, more lights. It's ugly. Okay? Ako rin French lady nga kabalo manghimbis og isda. Yawa. Kapobre ba ni nga French lady? Oh, gikuwang hasang. Oh. Ingana na siya magkuwag hasang ha. Imo nang kuoton iyang suwang. Pag makuotan nimo ang suwang, kumuta gid na iyang hasang. Ready na mga?
Hezing.
Hesa, are you ready?
Yes.
Yung mga amang ako mga
One.
That's how you make a fish. Okay. Nag-make a fish na noon
Make a
buwang
fish.
kabubok
Make a fish.
mag-ibis
Make a fish.
Okay. So, ato na siyang iwan.
What are you doing?
Hi,
That's it.
you're not allowed. You're not allowed. Dogs are not allowed here. Okay, we're gonna touch that. Okay, set up na po tayo sa table. Balik sa table. Yawa ka nga trito. Okay, we're ready. Kani siya nga pampanugid ako pa rin siya sa Pacific Ocean. So mahal ni siya. Only rich can afford. Aha.
Gihandpick pag
Gihandpick pag ni siya. Dili pag net ang pagkuha ani.
Ha? Murag
Di
luspad
kinamot.
lagi ang baba
Mm-mm.
sa imong pampanaw.
Ha?
Luspad ang baba.
Asa man ang lipstick ani eh? Wala naka lip gloss akong ano. So you gonna cut the pampano like that. Kaya nagtrabaho mo ako sa butcher sa una sa Canadian Tire. Ano? Ay, ang camera, yaya! Ay, ano?
Itong dako na kutsilyo ka.
Ay, dili ni makagwapa ha. Pagtuyok ni mo, na-reach ang ano.
Sa ikaduha ka.
Ama ni.
Kilid.
Left
Left side,
Left side.
Ha?
Left side.
Left side.
Left.
Good Lord! Ama ng butcher's knife. Bangsa kay kusumot ba?
Hi, Mitch. Nade mong quad live ang atong chef from
Here you go. Chef from Pacific Ocean. So wala ni effect ato ang knife sa gikan sa Korea. So gamito na to atong knife gikan sa Barbados.
Barbie.
Tagang. See that? This is our fish from Pompano from Atlantic Ocean. Yay! Oh my God, handpick. Napa siya hasang. Wala nakuha ang tinain. Okay, ready na siya? Bye. Yeah. Ay, wala yung flash. Dili gwapa. Oh my God. This is not makakagwapa. Another slice. Shadow ka akong background. Good Lord, grabe man ikang ngit-ngit. Napa siya yung mga tinai, pauna na siya. Ganun ko, the more lights, the more beautiful you are. Cheers! Share na lang. Another slice sa atong pampano from Pacific Ocean. Banimaw tag isdaan karon. Oh my God, akong white nga Christian Dior nga shirt. Nga polo. Gahi siya. Naunsa naman ning Korea. Nga na di naman ni gadulot. Gang tagay kog towel gabi.
Ipaningot lagi ka.
Oh my God. Hindi nakakaganda ito. Almost done, guys.
Slam it like bam!
Oh my God.
Just slam
Hi, share. Paki-share na lang,
Pag-share na lang ko, guys. Yaya, akong sunglasses. Ang sunglasses ni Us-Us kang ilong, dili taas. Flat of ilong. Okay.
You?
Grabe, manikagahi nga fish. Ay, mura manig 100 years old. Grabe, ha? Tagam. Dili ni siya Grabe. Mahadlo ko magduot.
Zero to zero! You're fired!
Oh, you're fired.
You're fired!
Anyway.
How are you firing the bot?
My God, fix my hair. Oh my God. God. Fix my hair, Joe. Dagay gito setup. Okay, retouch. Yaya, fix my glass. Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Libat man di ay. Okay, kaya ang cook niyo tonight. Yama. Hayad man di kaayo. Okay. Gamay kay kong patient, guys. So ako na siyang kuan.
Yun!
Ipadayon na nato siya
Yun!
tagtag. Sama pa ni mga bata ni pangpatyas ani. Grabe ka bibo nga vlog. Okay, na-fix na ba? So gamay na kay kong patient, guys. So later na nato siya ipadayon og tad-tad kanang luto na siya. So, okay, let's proceed to my favorite part. Okay, ang next na to imon is mag-decorate sa atong inununan. Like this. You have to decorate. Yaya, show ang camera. You show. Yeah. Mag-decorate to sa atong inununan. I-upload ko sa YouTube. So, see? You're gonna first apply application. You're gonna application the onion from Germany.
Wow!
And next, you're gonna add on the ginger from Italy. Yeah, gara. And then you're gonna add the garlic from Austria. Expensive ni siya nga inon-onan. See? Yaya, asa itong Himalayan salt? Asa ang Himalayan salt? I need Himalayan salt. Darling, Himalayan salt.
All the way from the whole
Yes.
for you.
By the way, guys, this salt is from Himalayan mountain. So it's pink. So it's from, I don't know where's Himalaya. Nepal. Gikan siya sa Nepal nga kuan. Kanang salt. O iapi lang din na siya. Yeah, daga na siya. Kuan ni siya, inununan nga mga kidney stone. I need pepper. Yaya, fix my face.
The face is gonna be like
The face is not fixing. I need pepper. So this is the result now, guys. Wow. Kanina man po siya nga black pepper. Gikan ni siya sa Mexico. Gikan ni siya sa Mexico. Yeah? You just gonna squish. You gonna lubag-lubag it. Okay. Yaya, I need a glass of water for my inon-onan. Yes. So, ingana ka maghimog inon-onan, guys, ha?
Siguro ba kayo siya?
Siya. Glass of water, Yaya. Mob. Faster. Okay. Si Shalmi mag-add og water sa among inon-unan pinaka-wine glass. Tapos, ang secret formula, Ana, is you have to wash your hands on it. Like that. Yes. That's how you do it. Yaya, I need a vinegar katong gikan sa coconut tree. Yeah. Katong gikan sa coconut sa Cuba. Gusto ko atong vinegar nga gikan sa Cuba. Then iwisik-wisik lang dahil. Mo siya secret formula. Okay, di mata sponsored. I'm using a vinegar from Cuba. It's made from a coconut tree. Katong mga 13 months pa nga coconut tree. Aha. Okay, we're done. You don't have to lugay like the budgeted edition. Yaya, I need a taklob. Anong English na? I need a lead. Love will need you back. Someday I just know that love will need you back in my arms. Okay. Yaya, faster.
You don't need banana leaves.
Nice nga idea. I need a banana leaves, Yaya, katong gikan sa Colombia.
Oh, not from the Philippines.
We're using a gigantic lid, and then you're gonna cover it, and then start cooking it like that. Okay, then I'm ready. Camera, Yaya, I'm camera. I'm ready to cook. Then how to start this? Oh my God. Wala nga ni sa Mexico.
Clap your hands.
Hey Siri, turn on gas stove to high heat. The poison. So I'm done. I'll update you later, guys.